Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to easily load new level, for example from level 1 to level 2, just by using really few lines of code and, to be honest, one trigger box. So I think it's pretty easy and everybody will understand it, so yeah, let's jump to it. First of all, I made environment to work, so I made two levels with ground and one player in level 1. Which has easy movement script attached and also box collider 2D and rigid body 2D. Also, please remember to add colliders 2D to ground. Okay, so when you have everything done, let's start working. So I made 2D object, place it in right position, turned off sprite renderer and added box collider 2D, and also I checked is trigger box. After that I made new script for this object and wrote some code. Okay, so the code is very simple. First of all, we are making a new int called for me level index to load to define index level that we want to load. Then we are using on trigger enter 2D and if statement inside it to check if the object which is inside our trigger box is an object with player tag. If it is, we want to load new scene, and to be honest, that's it for coding. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, so now we have to enter the index to our next level, which is 1 because we number from 0, so level 1 have 0 index and level 2 have index 1. Yes, and don't forget about adding your levels to build settings, it's pretty important. And also we need to go to our player and change the tag to player. And as you can see, it works, but we don't have our player in level 2. So for that, in our movement script, write don't destroy on load function in start method, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.